Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. This Sunday is the first Sunday of the month, so it's time for my monthly draw. I'm here by myself, so I'll have to do it again. Have a good forage around. There's a lot of names in here now. In the middle somewhere. Right, there's one. Right, the name I've got here is Jonathan Yeager. Yeager's a good name. It was Chuck Yeager that broke the sound barrier, from what I remember. There you go. Right, Jonathan, all you need to do is send me an email and I'll post that off to you completely free anywhere in the world. I'm going to do another draw next month. The prize for that I'm going to show you in a minute or two, but it is the prize that was up 2 months ago. It was never claimed. I did email a guy and there was no response, so I'm just going to raffle it again. If you want to enter the competition, all you need to do is send me an email. That's my email up there, and all I need is your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If your name's pulled out, you get the prize. It's just a little way of me saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had with this YouTube channel. I've actually got people now sending us things in to be put in the raffle. I could fill a draw, make comments, but why when I can only use one or two? I'd rather give them away and let them be used and have a draw full of gear like that. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. This is a Imperial dial caliper. It was given to me and it worked, but it wasn't in very good condition. My friend Bob's taken it away, stripped it, put it back together, and it feels quite nice. One full turn is 100 thou. I'm sure that'll make a useful addition to anybody's workshop. You also get a Doubleboost cup. They're done by my friend Rob at Extreme Engineering or Extreme Plasma. And a set of these Cleveland drills. I use these myself in the workshop. They're very good. People think I get these given. I don't. I'm not sponsored by Cleveland drills. I want to buy the bastard things. At one time they were cheap, but they're creeping up in price. Anyways, I don't mind spending a little bit of money to give things away. They are a really good prize. Anyway, get your name in, you never know. In tonight's video I make some special nuts for Richard's Sentinel steam engine boiler. I modify the little lubricators that I put onto one of my engines, and I also do a little bit of copper pipe work. I soften some copper pipe and make a little union for another one of my steam engines. This coming weekend is Chesley Street Steam Rally. I'll be going with Richard with a steam wagon. Hope you take my little engines as well and put some steam into them. If you decide to go at the rally, please come and see us, say hello, shake my hand. Really, I do and bite. It'll be great to see you. Anyway, I've got some of these nuts to make for Richard's Sentinel steam wagon. They're actually BSF, possibly what you could call a barrel nut. They go into a tight space where you can't get a hex down at the bottom of the hole. The thread's actually 5/8 BSF, and I've got a 5/8 BSF top, but more importantly I've got some 7/8 hexi bar, which saves us by having to mill the flats on them. So I use a 3/0 chuck to make some of those. Enough bar poking out to get worn. It's pointless having a big long length sticking out. All you do then is introduce more and more flex. Because it's hexi bar, it tends to hammer the tips. So what I generally use is I use an old tip up to knock the hex off. Don't use a new one because it knocks the corner straight off them. I'm also using a tip with quite a big radius on because that's a lot stronger than a really tight radius tip. You could put a centre in there because the porter will take off the hex, but I think it'll probably be alright. I will put a power feed onto it. This is quite badly corroded and eaten away, and it's only been in service for 10 years, but it gets constantly hot and cold cycled, and water pissing all over it. I'm going to put a 0 on there. We need 27 mil. Still a very good drill. It's only cutting on one side really, but it is putting a hole in there. I'm just going to measure it, make sure it's not oversized. I'll start to find a better drill, I think. I've got a lot of big drills that need sharpening. Still on 14, just on the 14. I don't know if you can see the end of the drill there, but it's just that corner there is marked, and so is that one. I'm going to go into that and throw it up, just dress it up on a hand wheel. Right, I've cleaned the edges up, so hopefully it'll cut a lot better now. Certainly sounds better than it's putting chips out to both sides, so I'll call that a success. This would be better using cooling water, but if I use cooling water it means I can't get the video shots I want because I can't get the camera in closer to that's two evils, I suppose. Tap mounted in the collar chuck because there's a lot of torque going through there. Serious amount of torque. It is a brand new tap. It'll be 50 years old, but it's a new one, never been used. porting off hexi bar like this, you've got to kind of wind the tool in, not piss about with it, otherwise you will break it. Once you get through the hex like that, it's just straightforward porting off there. Nice steady pressure and plenty of lube. And that's running at 90 RPM there. I don't know what speed I meant to port that up at, but 90 RPM works for me. Right, settle for that. Then its last little job is to convert two of these nuts from 1/2 inch Whitworth into 5/8 BSF. Running nice and true. We'll put a 14mm drill straight through, and then the top. Keep running my finger across sharp edges, you know. There's something wrong with it. Right, that's a nice full depth thread. Nothing wrong with that.
You got it all right, you see. You got tight.
Okay.
Let's bring the gas tight for you.
Out on there, straight on dry.
Yeah.
I wash it. That's a blanket plate, a cutlery head here, copper, Plasma tail makes easy work at jobs like that.